What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to add products on WordPress website. Adding products to your WordPress website is essential for e-commerce success. This process allows you to showcase your offerings, manage inventory, and provide customers with detailed information. By following a few straightforward steps, you can efficiently list new products, set pricing, and enhance user experience. Let's explore how to seamlessly add products to your WordPress site. Step number 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Start by accessing your WordPress admin area. Enter your website's URL followed by /wp-admin in your browser. Use your credentials to log in. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your websites, including adding products. Step 2. Navigate to the Products section. In the left sidebar of the dashboard, locate the Products menu item. Click on it and view existing products or add new ones. This section allows you to manage your inventory, including adding new products, editing existing ones, and organizing them into categories for easier navigation. Step number 3. Add new product. To add a new product, click the Add New button at the top of the Products page. This will open a new product editor where you can enter details about your product such as the name, description, and price. Be sure to fill out all necessary fields to ensure that customers have the information they need. Step 4. Set product data and attributes. In the product editor, find the product data section. Here, you can select whether your product is a simple or variable product. Fill in details such as price, SKU, and stock status. Additionally, you can add attributes like size or color if applicable, which helps customers filter their choices. Step 5. Publish your product. After entering all relevant information and settings for your product, review everything for accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Publish button on the right side of the editor. Your product will now be live on your website and available for customers to view and purchase. Adding products to your WordPress website is a straightforward process that enhances your online store's functionality. By following the outlined steps, you can effectively manage your inventory and provide customers with essential information. Regularly updating your product listings will keep your site fresh and engaging for visitors. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.